There is a broad consensus that progress in improving driver safety and reducing GHG emissions in the commercial fleet market has been too slow. To address this, a leadership team has come together to initiate several key actions. First, a trusted knowledge base has been established to enable fleet administrators to compare the total cost of ownership of advanced fleet vehicle technologies. FleetWiki, developed by Havel, was specifically created for this purpose. Second, localized guidance on government regulations and incentives is crucial to help fleets navigate the complexities of compliance and funding. Local partners like New Haven Clean Cities, part of a network of 75 organizations across the country, provide this essential guidance. Finally, expert support is needed to facilitate connections between suppliers and fleets, accelerating the adoption of these critical technologies. Fleet Management Weekly's brand acceleration leader, Ed Pierce, offers the necessary guidance to ensure you have the best possible experience with these new marketing support programs. In a national survey, fleet administrators reported that the information needed to evaluate and justify the purchase of new technologies was often scattered across the internet, incomplete, and confusing. They requested a comprehensive fleet industry knowledge base that consolidates trusted research, calculators, resource document libraries, supplier directories, and discussion forums into one platform, allowing them to seek and share advice on specific applications. To make informed purchasing decisions, they needed reliable information on government regulations, incentives, and the total cost of ownership for the technologies they were evaluating. When asked which design features were needed to create the best user experience, fleet administrators again stressed the need for a one-stop shop. They reported that the research needed to be free from advertising bias, presenting a neutral point of view. If these conditions were met, 72% of the fleet administrators in the survey indicated they would use the knowledge base. The Fleet Industry Knowledge Base, FleetWiki, was developed specifically for this purpose. The knowledge base can be found at fleetwiki.net. The Technology tab features over 75 advanced fleet vehicle technologies. By clicking on a topic, such as EV charging stations, you are directed to a dedicated page for that technology. You can set it as a favorite for easy access at any time. The Research tab provides comprehensive technical data on each technology, including its features, benefits, and total cost of ownership. It concludes with a discussion on the future outlook for the technology. The Resources tab serves as a library of technical documents, including white papers, case studies, and webinars. Clicking on any title will take you directly to that document. The News tab offers links to the latest articles on each technology, keeping you informed of the latest developments. The Discussion Forum is a space where fleet professionals can seek advice and share insights on application-specific issues. The Supplier Directory is the cornerstone of the knowledge base. Here, fleet administrators can access the technical data needed to make informed purchasing decisions. Each supplier profile follows a standardized format. For example, clicking on Blink Charging provides detailed information about their products and services. From there, you can navigate to their website, social media pages, and document library by clicking on the relevant links. Returning to the Technology tab, the Supplier Directory for the Clean Cities Coalition Network features profiles for each coalition partner. For example, clicking on the New Haven Clean Cities profile provides fleet operators with information on local and statewide regulations and incentives. This is particularly helpful for fleet administrators researching vehicle upgrades and replacement options in the regions where they operate. With the knowledge base structure in place, the next step is to design a proprietary interface for suppliers. Suppliers play a critical role because they have already developed the information fleet administrators need to make informed purchasing decisions. To encourage supplier participation, the knowledge base allows them to invite fleet administrators to join FleetWiki through a private, branded landing page that excludes competitive products and services. This feature is available exclusively to suppliers who subscribe to FleetWiki as branded fleet sponsors. To activate this functionality, register at https://fleetwiki.net/supplier-register. After registering, click on your profile icon, select Company Plan, and subscribe. Subscriptions include a 1-week free trial, which can be canceled at no cost during the trial period. As a subscriber, you gain full access to FleetWiki's features, including unlocking your supplier profile, which is prominently displayed at the top of the homepage, enabling the Contact Us feature for direct communication, featuring your research in the resources library, gaining moderator rights in forums, activating the share function, which removes competitor profiles from the directory, receiving 20,000 Fleet Leads records. Finally, click Start Here for video tutorials on how to set up FleetWiki, download Fleet Leads records, and contact Fleet Management Weekly Brand Acceleration for marketing support. After subscribing, you'll be provided with social media icons, email links, and QR codes that embed access codes for inviting fleet administrators to your private landing page. Fleet administrators, like on other social platforms, must register to create a personalized experience. The registration form links them to their branded fleet sponsor and includes a zip code field that connects them with their local Clean Cities Coalition partner. Once logged in, users are directed to a personalized landing page, customized for their sponsor and local Clean Cities Coalition partner. To illustrate the landing page functionality, consider 2 fleet administrators. A builder in New Haven, Connecticut, invited to join FleetWiki by ChargePoint, and a distributor in Columbus, Ohio, invited by Ford Motor Company. Both fleet administrators see their sponsor's profile at the top of the homepage, followed by the profile of their local Clean Cities Coalition. For example, the builder in New Haven views the full ChargePoint line of charging stations for fleet operators, along with incentives and guidance from their local Clean Cities Coalition partner. The EV charging station research topic displays only ChargePoint in the supplier directory and provides only ChargePoint documents in the resource library. Similarly, the distributor in Columbus sees only Ford's lineup of all-electric vehicles. However, the distributor still has access to research on all other fleet vehicle technologies. When researching EV charging stations, they see other branded fleet sponsors at the top of the supplier directory, in this case, ChargePoint. Profiles of non-sponsoring suppliers are locked, ensuring that fleet administrators, like the distributor in Columbus, know that the listed suppliers are active and responsive to inquiries. Since all fleet administrators must be sponsored to access the FleetWiki knowledge base, suppliers have a limited opportunity to sponsor these professionals. Once a fleet administrator is sponsored, they become unavailable for sponsorship by other suppliers. When it comes to marketing to fleets, there is no single best method, and not all approaches are equally effective. For this reason, Fleet Management Weekly Brand Acceleration has been engaged to provide suppliers with guidance and marketing support. Fleet Leads is the primary tool for inviting fleet administrators to a supplier's landing page and is integrated with the FleetWiki website. Originally developed in the late 1990s to support customer acquisition campaigns for major oil companies and third-party fuel card processors, Fleet Leads includes contact information for 750,000 fleet operators managing 2 or more vehicles, representing about 2/3 of the market. These records can be accessed by Fleet Management Weekly for direct marketing campaigns aimed at inviting fleet administrators to your landing page. While FleetWiki is designed to be user-friendly, we understand that you may need assistance. You can reach the FleetWiki support team by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Contact Us. Alternatively, to contact Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration, use the provided link. Simply submit your inquiry through these forms, and you will receive a response via email as soon as possible. We encourage you to share this quick start video with your sales and marketing team. particularly with those who will coordinate with Fleet Management Weekly and the FleetWiki support team. We are committed to ensuring you have the best experience with fleet leads and our new marketing support programs.